How to set up Amazon Alexa. So if you want to set up Amazon Alexa, what you do is, I'm assuming you have this Amazon Alexa assistant, which is Amazon Echo, with you, and you want to connect using the Alexa app. So first, download the Amazon Alexa app from your Play Store or App Store, open it up and log into your Amazon account. In my case, I'm already logged into my Amazon account. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, tap on this devices option from the very bottom, then tap the plus icon from the top right hand side, then tap on add device, then from here select Amazon Echo. Now here we will select our Echo model. Once we've done that, it will ask me if my Echo is plugged in. Yes, it is plugged in. And if it is displaying an orange light, yes, it is displaying an orange light, as you can see here. So what this means is that the orange light means your Amazon Echo is in pairing mode. So if you're not seeing this orange light, just tap on this no button and it will give you instructions on how to set up and get the orange light. Now normally if you're using an Amazon Echo like me, you can just press the action button for about 20 seconds to get into setup mode. In some Echo it will be plus and minus buttons together, and in some it will be this little mute button, plus button together. So based on whatever device you're using, doesn't really matter. Once you have that, it will ask you for a permission, so tap on the yes it is displaying option. As long as assuming it is in pairing mode, then you'll be able to see yes it is in pairing mode. So now you can go ahead and select your Echo Dot and you'll be able to find that option. And this way you can set up your Amazon Alexa after it is in pairing mode, and you can connect it using the app. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.